Hi guys, welcome back to ASAP. So in today videos we are going to see how to star an email. So from your inbox select any message you want to, and on that respective message on the left side you can see a star symbol. So here I just have to click on the star symbol and it is coming as star. So this is how we can star a message, and if you want to unstar a message, so just go to that message and click on the star symbol again. So from star it is turning to unstar, and that is how we can star and unstar a message. So there are many more options for starring a message. For that I have to go to the settings. In the settings I have to click on see all settings, and on the see all settings I just have to scroll down, and while scrolling down I can see the stars option. So here we can see that presets are present: 1 star, 4 star, all star. So in use is the one which is available right now, and not in use are the ones which are not available right now. So if you want selective option, we can just take this star and drag here, or otherwise we can just click on presets, which is 1 star or 4 star or all star. So for now I'm just selecting 4 star, and after that I have to just scroll down and click on save changes. So when these changes are made, so I can get options to star my messages according to respective colors in there. So let's suppose if I want to star this message, so just have to click on this, and if I want to star this message with a different color, I just have to click on twice, thrice, 4 times, and again for unstarring I just to click on there. This is how we can star the message according to the different options that are present there. So let's suppose if I'm just starring this message, I'm starring this message in different color, I'm starring this message in other color. By that, if you want to search for your starred email, so in the Gmail what I can do here, I just have to go to the left pane, and in the left pane I have to click on start. So all the messages which are starred, so we can see those messages here. And if I want to just search those messages from the inbox, what I can do is I just have to type here is start, and after that has yellow star. So when I just click or enter this, so whatever the message which was started with the yellow color, those are visible here. And if I want to just check for another option, so what I will do, I will just click on here orange star. So as no message were with orange star, so that's why no option is visible here. And if I want to just select another one, so I will just click on blue star and enter. So whatever the message which was started using blue color, those are visible here. So this is how you can star a message, unstar a message, as well as choose many different options to search for your different starred emails. So this is how you can star emails in Gmail. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.